This is a 2020 Porsche Macan with a Starline Pro. So a thief steals your key, starts the vehicle up, goes to drive away, the vehicle's going to cut out. So for the customer to drive this, they can use a push sequence or they can pair a phone up. With push sequence, they'll start the car. 1, 2, 3, 4 is our code. Hear the disarm tone and drive away. If they don't want to use a code, they just pair their phone up when they get in the vehicle, phone in their pocket, Bluetooth on, start the car straight away and drive off. No need to waste time with the code. Customer can set their own code between 3 and 21 presses on this system. Totally unique to them. If their phone's not here, they've got to use the code. If a thief gets the key, goes to steal it, puts it in gear, it's going to cut out, unable to drive it away. To get one of these fitted, give us a call 0208 212 7393. This is Starline Pro. Thanks for watching. We're Immobiliser Fit.